Even if you've never made bread before or you feel daunted by the prospect of making it at home, then this recipe is for you, because you'll get a delicious loaf of bread that's superior to many mass-produced loaves found in supermarkets. What's more, you won't require a mixer or to spend your time kneading the dough. Here's how to make it. Add 1 teaspoon of dried yeast and 1 teaspoon of salt into a bowl and mix in 380 milliliters of warm water. Let the mixture stand for about 10 minutes while the yeast activates. Into a large bowl pour in 3 cups of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix the two together. When done, form a well shape in the center of the flour. Pour the liquid into the center a little at a time and mix until you form a dough. Cover the dough with a towel and leave for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough will have risen. Spend about 2 minutes folding the dough from the edge into the center using a spatula. Cover the dough again and let it rest for a further 1 hour. After a total of 3 hours of resting, the dough is ready, the first time being 2 hours and the second time being 1 hour. Spend about a minute or so folding the dough from the edge into the center. Then place it onto a floured surface. Dust your hands with flour and form the dough into a circular loaf shape. Line a mixing bowl with some baking paper and place the dough into it. Dust the top of the loaf with some flour and cut 3 lines across the surface. Preheat the oven to 230 degrees Celsius and warm up a Dutch oven or cast iron casserole dish for 10 minutes. Cook with the lid on for 35 minutes. After that time, remove the baking paper and cook without the lid in order to brown the loaf for another 15 minutes. Allow it to cool down before slicing and serving.